Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Meka. For those of you that are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so that you are notified every time your girl upload another video. Give your girl a thumbs up and sprinkle some comments down below to help your girl out. Thank you guys. Thank you. So in today's video, I am going to attempt to wash my wigs again. I tried to do this video before and it was an epic fail. Like, not that it was an epic fail, but I just didn't have time, and then it was just too much. So I was scrolling on TikTok. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Melanin Touch Cosmetics LLC. So I was on TikTok and I saw this girl. She washed her wig, basically kind of just washed her wigs, and I'm gonna follow the same steps that she did to kind of see if I could get my wig back like how she got her wig back, because why not? Like, these wigs need to get back to life. I do have a video that I did previously of me washing my wigs. If you want to check that out, I will leave it in the I linked up above, and I will also leave it in the description if you want to check out how I did that way. So this way, I'm just going to do it a little different. So I have all my wigs here. As y'all can see, they are looking crazy. I have all my wigs here. It's about 5, 6, 7 wigs. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 wigs. So I have my 7 wigs here. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys me doing all 7. I'm gonna just do 1 on camera, and then I'm going to go off camera. So the first thing that she did was she took her wig and she put it in some water, and she put some Dawn soap on it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put the Dawn soap, and then she let it sit for a little bit, and that got rid of all the gunk, all of the everything, like the glue, everything off of the lace, and stuff like that. And then I'm going to get into the next thing. So let's get into the video.